Welcome to the Good Father channel. In this video, we designed a small house with a size of 3x6 meters or 18 sqm. This house has several parts such as terrace, living room, bathroom, kitchen, dining room, laundry room, bedroom and pergola garden. We made this house with a small size as your inspiration to make a micro house or hotel. This house is made at a low cost, so it is perfect for those of you who have minimal costs. Before continuing to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Next we will see the floor plan of this house. This house consists of 2 floors. The first floor consists of several rooms such as living room, 5 sqm, bathroom, 2.3 sqm, kitchen and dining room, 4.6 sqm, laundry room, 1 sqm. While the second floor is used as a bedroom with a size 8.2 sqm. We used the excess land for the pergola garden, so you can relax with friends for barbecue. On the terrace, we use a dark floor, so we get an industrial and simple impression. We also place plants as decorations for complementary accessories, so that the terrace does not look empty. On the living room, we use white and gray basic paint, so that the room has a warm impression, and the characteristics of the industrial concept are not lost. We added a sofa chair, with a length of about 1.9 meters, and also a round table to accompany you to watch television, and then add wall accessories with a black and white style, so you get a small living room with an industrial concept. In the bathroom, we use cream-colored walls with black accents on the sink. For exhaust, we put a small window in the shower with a size of 0.3 meters x 0.5 meters. At the back of this house, we place the kitchen and dining room so that cooking and eating activities will be more effective. For lighting the dining room, we added a window so that sunlight can illuminate the room during the day. We also use vertical stairs using wood with a large degree to reduce construction costs and also to make the room more spacious. Our second floor is designed for a bedroom with a fairly large size, 8.2 SQM, finishing the walls with exposed concrete so that the room looks industrial. We use a low-cut mattress, which fits 2 people, with a simple design, and then our wardrobe is made with an industrial concept in black. For the laundry room, we put it outside with a wood cover, so you have a very spacious washing room. The last part of this house is the Pergola Garden. I really like the place, with wooden tables and chairs, making barbecuing with friends very enjoyable.